Are you overly frugal with your finances? Or are you the kind of person who spends money like it's going out of style? Hopefully, neither, because both are examples of poor financial management. Financial management entails the strategic planning, organizing, and controlling of your financial affairs. It's fundamental to the running of a successful enterprise, so it's essential that business owners and managers get to grips with the basics. We know it makes sense to keep our finances in order, but it's not easy to do. The minute we open that spreadsheet, our enthusiasm depreciates quicker than a brand new luxury car. Financial management might not be all that much fun, but it doesn't have to be so painful. This course will take you through the basics in a way that will help you appreciate the importance of strategy. With the right strategy, you can ensure your company maintains positive financial growth by maximizing profit and minimizing costs. We can't promise that you'll rise to become a titan of Wall Street like Warren Buffett, but if you can improve the way you manage your money, you can improve your chances of making more of it.